A revocable trust does not avoid the probate process. All a revocable trust does is avoid the probate courts, which means you don't have to file a petition for probate. You don't have to get approval to be appointed as the executor. You don't have to file accounting for this probate process. You get to avoid the court system altogether. What it does not do is give you asset protection from creditors coming after your estate. And so when you are the backup trustee, the grantor passes away, you have to publicly notify creditors that the grantor has passed away. Those creditors are able to come to the trustee and say, hey, this individual owed us money, and now you have to sell off assets to pay off the debts that they owe us. This is because with a revocable trust, you are not taking assets out of your estate. You're still filing those assets on your personal tax returns. Therefore, they are still a part of your estate. With an irrevocable trust, you do get that asset protection because you're filing the assets on the trust tax returns under that EIN, not under your personal social security number. Therefore, those assets inside of the irrevocable trust are fully separated from your estate, and that is why you have the asset protection from creditors coming after you, the assets inside of your estate. And so if you have a revocable trust, you're still going to have to pay off debts. You just don't have to go through the probate courts to do so. With an irrevocable trust, if set up correctly, you don't have to pay those debts off because the creditors coming after your estate are coming after the assets you own as an individual. They're not able to come after the assets inside of the irrevocable trust. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.